Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. So today I wanted to make a video showing my clean makeup look with products that you already have, products that you can get at the drugstore and will not break your bank. A lot of the products that I've seen other people mention in their videos are very high priced, like they're in the very expensive range. And I just wanted to make my own little twist on it and show that you don't have to have all of these expensive products like Charlotte Tilbury, Pat McGrath to be able to create a stunning look like this. To me, the clean makeup look is basically just a reinvention of the no makeup look, but it makes you just look really nice and refreshed and very natural, but still have something on. I also wanted to say that you do not need makeup to be beautiful, which I know is such a cliche thing to say, but I think it's very important because a lot of people feel the need to have to wear makeup. I think everyone is naturally beautiful and you don't need makeup to have to show that, but I really like this trend, and I also really love doing my makeup in a very simple way without going full out. So the price range of this video is going to be from affordable to about medium price. It's definitely not going to be in the high-end range. I am going to be showing some products that you can either get at your local drugstore or some that you can get at Sephora and Ulta, but that is going to be the main focus of the video. I am also going to try and mention any dupes that I have. Alright, so I'm back. I am using natural lighting for this look so that you guys can see what it looks like in natural light. So the first thing I'm going to do really quickly is I'm going to put on some sunscreen. So this is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. I absolutely love this. I will put more details on the screen so you can see where you can purchase this sunscreen, how expensive it is. Another alternative is the 𝆉socials𝓉 mineral sunscreen. I really like that one. It is a lot thicker and it does feel a little bit more oilier on the skin, but if that's something that you don't mind, then I highly recommend that one. Another thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna moisturize my lips really quickly. This is the lip balm from Summer Friday. Two primers I really like are the NYX Honeydew Me Up. This gives you such a natural glow and it's very dewy. Another one I also like is the Glossier Future Dew. I tend to reach for this one more, but if I am using a foundation, this one is my go-to. But whenever I am just going for something natural, I really like this one, so I'm gonna be using this today. So this is a oil serum hybrid, and I really think that it is. It definitely feels like it, and this just helps give you like such a radiant glow. Like you can already see it as I'm putting it on my skin. You can already see like that glow that my skin has, and I'm sure you've guessed it, the Glossier Skin Tint. I like to just add a little on my cheeks. I'm going to be blending this in today with the e.l.f. buffing foundation brush. Buff it right into the skin. Alright, it's all buffed in and you can still see some of my blemishes, but it looks exactly like my skin. And I am going to be going in with the Glossier Stretch Concealer. So this is a pot concealer and it is meant to just lightly cover your spots and stuff like that. It is not a full coverage concealer. I'm taking a beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend this out really quickly. Next product I'm gonna use to kind of warm up my face is gonna be the Milk Makeup. This is the bronzing stick. This is in the shade Baked, I believe. I don't put a lot of this. I just put some right there, go on to the other side of my face right there, and then my forehead, and that's all I really do. Yeah, it looks very natural, very nice. Definitely looks like I was just in the sun for a bit. The product I use is, I think, one of my favorites. This is the Rare Beauty blush. This is in the shade Joy. I definitely, I picked this up during the summer, which is when I have like the most rosiest cheeks ever. And I definitely think that I need to pick up a a lighter shade for like spring and winter time because I'm not in Hawaii anymore. I'm in Portland. Put the smallest amount on my cheeks because this stuff is so pigmented, you guys. Like, it's like the most pigmented thing I think I've ever used, and so a small amount goes a long way. I also don't blend it out with a brush. I use my beauty blender because I want it to purposely soak up product because of the fact that this blush can be so overbearing. So yeah, I just use the tiniest amount and blend it into my skin. There you go. There's that flush. That's what I wanted. I'm gonna do really quickly is I'm going to add the tiniest bit of powder. Look at the comparison. Like, see how like smoothed out this side looks compared to the other side? I don't know if you can see it. Like, you see how you can see like no texture on this side, but then this side you can still see. Patrick Starrr knew what he was doing when making this product. Feel free to use any product that you have because any products will work for this look. You need to embrace your natural beauty, which I think that this whole trend is about. I'm going to move on to eyebrows. I am going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze, I believe. A really good dupe for this is gonna be the NYX Brow Glue, and I know that e.l.f. just came out with one as well that I'm dying to get my hands on, but for now, I don't want to waste any products, so I'm only going to be using the products that I own. But I'm just taking a spoolie and I'm just going to brush this through. Okay, so the brows are nice and flat. I definitely have sisters and not twins, but what can you do? I'm going to go back into my Glossier concealer and I'm going to clean it up underneath the brows a little bit. Under the brows are nice and clean. We love it. I'm going to be going in with this highlighter. This highlighter is from Becca Cosmetics and it's my favorite highlighter in the entire world. This is in the shade Vanilla Quartz, and I think to me this highlighter just adds such a natural, like, if I look this way, can you see it? We are nearing the end of this. So mascara. The Essence Lash Princess, I think, is my far most favorite mascara. You can get this at Ulta and it is a relatively cheap price. I believe if you buy like the pack with this one and the waterproof one, it is close to around $8, I believe, which is pretty good. You know, sometimes like the drugstore has like even more expensive products than this one, but I absolutely love it. It lengthens and volumizes your lashes. Like, just look at the difference. No mascara, mascara. One of the last steps that I like to do is I like to do a little inner corner highlight. So I love using, so this is a Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick. This is in the shade Golden Pink, and I think it makes like the perfect inner corner highlight. Like, can you see it? Oh, if you go up close, you can kind of see it. But you know, I feel like it looks very natural, very like, it opens your eyes a lot, and I really appreciate that thing. The very last step is to spray your face with some setting spray. So this is the Revolution Hydrate and Fix. I picked this up at Target and I absolutely love this. All right. So here's the finished makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you use some of the recommendations. Also, feel free to leave any more recommendations in the comments to help each other out. I want this to be a very safe and happy community of people. So leave any recommendations, any products, any brands that you think I would like, or I would love to try anything, to be honest with you. So go ahead and leave those in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day. Love you. Bye.